We've just gone through the gates and now I'm going up the Great Wall of China. This is where I'm going to be filming today, showing you exactly what it's all about. And these were the guns that were used during the guarding of the wall, and these are the cannons, and there's lots of them. We're just gonna go up there and show you that. So there's some cannons, you can see them. So we're going up the stairs. We're gonna decide whether to go to the south or the north, but at the moment we're just gonna turn to the left, which is the south side, and we're gonna try to spend as much time as we can on the Great Wall of China. Like, I'm getting exhausted already. That's the exit, but we're just gonna try to find ourselves on that. There must be a guard post, so security is quite strict. So this is where we're from, heading towards that side or the opposite direction.
Which way? That way or this way?
Now let's go the opposite direction. I know that side where there's the cable cars because I've been there before.
Then we go this way.
Yeah. So these were one of the observation posts, but these are the modified ones. This is the new Great Wall of China, but we're just gonna walk all the way to find the old areas. And like I said, you need to be fit because we've got a long way to go. One part of the Great Wall, like I said, it's a multiple of walls actually. If you see on the other side, you can see an observation post. It's multiple walls, not just one single wall. And they're quite tiring, so we're just gonna try to do our best to show you one of the areas where you could go down. And from my own assumption, is when they needed to reload or to get the supplies. This is one of the channels they used to use, but we've still got a long way to go. This is going to be a long video, so please stay tuned. This is another one of the observation posts. Like these rules, you cannot climb them. Now you can see a better view of this wall, but there's another one over there on top of the other mountain, and to get up there you need to be physically fit. Like I'm saying, like, I wonder how they managed to build this structure, because if not thousands of people, I don't know, I cannot imagine the number of the people that died trying to construct this. So this is one of the observation posts, right? We've got a cleaner there, and I want to show you what it's like on the other side. If I don't drop my phone, this is what it's like. You cannot climb onto this from the other side, and there's some villages and everything. So let's just try to show you to what the wall is like from another angle. This is what it looks like from another angle. So to make sure that you have to find your way fighting to get here, and there's multiple. That's another observation post. This is an observation post, so you must have been being attacked from these spots here, and you can tell. And this is an observation post. So let me just come down and show you exactly from the side, from the invader side. So these were the attacking areas where they could attack people. But when you look on the other side, this side as well, if you manage to climb on top of this wall, you'll find it difficult to get. So for you to conquer, you need to conquer the wall itself, conquer a section, and try to make sure that you can find an area where you could get down. So this is quite hectic. So I just want to show you this. That's another observation post, and that's another observation post. And I just want to get to one of the highest points so to show you exactly what we're talking about. So those are the areas. You can go to different sections, and this is like a fitness exercise to go on this on its own. So if you're disabled, I'm sorry to say you cannot come here. or you mobile impaired, you cannot come to the Great Wall unless if you use the cable car and just go to one of the observation posts and come back, because it's not mobilely impaired people friendly if you got a mobile disability. Okay, let me just turn around. You see, so now, and I turn around, going up. You need to be physically fit to go up here. Now I've been saying this, but you need to see how steep this place is. You're not going to believe it. As soon as I get up there, I'm just gonna turn around and show you exactly where I've come from. So this is how steep this place is. Look, this is all I've been coming up. You can tell everybody's struggling, and that's a section of the wall, and another, there's multiple walls, and yeah, and there's a cable car this side and this side. Like I told you, this is the area where you get the supplies and everything. So I need to proceed and show you the view from the other side as well. I do go to the gym, and you can tell how struggling I am. That's a young girl, and struggling to get up there. And this is not the highest part. This is not the highest part. So this is another better view of the wall. So I'll keep on showing you exactly where we're coming from. Let me try to zoom in and zoom out, and you see what it's like. So you see exactly what we're talking about. So now I'm going to zoom out and continue filming, just like the same angle. I'm just like showing the same angle. Let me tilt down to 75 degrees. This is where we're coming from, and we still got up there to go, but it's not the highest point. It's not the highest observation post, so we need to keep on going. Lucky enough, we chose this side because the other side is a killer. The other side is a killer. So let's just go up to the observation post. That's another observation post that we've been here. You can tell there's a security guard and everything. But these must have been the attacking spots. Like you can tell, this is like a castle. And I don't know, some of the areas you can see the guns, and the guns are still installed, but it's still got a long way to go. Do not say that I'm tired already. I am tired already, to be honest. And I'm quite a fit person. I go to the gym and everything. You need to be physically fit to climb this area, to climb the Great Wall, because some spots, and I'm sure there's been some injuries. But let's continue to some areas that you didn't get to see. What a friendly side. Yeah, we're just gonna go down a little bit and continue again. I'm sure you must have watched the movie The Great Wall, and this is what it looks like. Although in the movie the areas, they're quite like a little bit wider, but this is the realistic Great Wall. It's been renovated and done everything. It's quite a mountainous place. This is my 4th trip, and every time when you come down here, I come to a different section. And this is the first time I've been on this section, because this time I came on the bus. Like you can tell, this was the Beijing, the China side, and this side is where the invaders would have come from. And there's a mini observation post. I don't know exactly what that one is like. Like, this thing is not like one single wall. It's got some sections and diversions. It's not like there's a multiple of walls to come down here. Like, there'll be 3 walls going the same direction. So if the invaders manage to penetrate one wall, they will come against another wall. What I'm talking about, that's an observation post. It's got no wall to it, and I don't know what that must have served as. I think that must have served as a freight forwarding observation post. And now you see this wall goes up there, but if you turn around, there is another wall. That one goes all the way there. But if you turn around, there's an old wall above that mountain. So let me just try to zoom in. You can tell there's a wall there. There's another wall. But if you go there, that wall goes all the way in turn. That's a different wall. That's a different section. So let's continue with this. So this is what this area looks like. Like I'm saying, you could conquer one side, but to come down to the other side, it was a problem. So now what I'm gonna do is we're going to go to the other section, and we're going to go up and up again. I don't know how many people injure themselves here trying to climb up this wall, because it is quite dangerous. It is quite dangerous. So on my right, it must have been the defensive side, and the other side must be the Chinese side. And I wish I had time just to travel and show you around this whole area, but this is what we were saying, and this is what we're going. Now we're going up again, and up and up and up and up. You can tell all the people up there. On that angle, if I turn around on the same angle, you're not going to see anything. You're going to see the skies. But let me tilt it down. So it is quite an incline or upline, whatever it is, I cannot say, but we're quite going up, and it is strenuous. So let me just try to exercise well enough. I missed the gym today, so this is my exercise today. Honestly, if you fall down here, you just sorry. If you fall down here, you just roll down non-stop, because this is quite bad. This is quite bad, and we need to go all the way up there. This is what, like I told you, what the Great Wall is like, and I wonder the people that built this wall, how many thousands of lives must have been lost, and if there were any guards, and how many lives. I'm sure we lost an entire country on this thing, because it is some kind of like spectacular. But let me stop filming because I need to go up. So now we're still going up. We are still going up. Like you tell behind me, there's people struggling, and they'll struggle and never catch up. And this is the Great Wall of China, people. I can imagine what fighting here was like, and what defending this wall was like, because it must have been a struggle. So a little continue, let the struggle continue. So let me just try to go up, and you can tell people resting, you can't go all the way up. It must have been a struggle defending this wall, and building it must have been a serious struggle. So I'm just gonna go up and show you what the sides are like. Like I say, this is no joke. This is what I'm fighting against. You see now, but I'm almost there. Turn around to show you exactly where I've come from, and I'm still going up. And this is all the part. This is where we came from, and like I said, there's different sections, different areas, but what you see is almost, it must have been a bakery defending this wall and building it. So let me just try to go up, then I can show you the rest. Yeah, let the struggle continue. Yeah, give me that. Give me my phone. Frankly speaking, I wonder why and how the Japanese managed to conquer a country that can build something like this. I wonder how they managed to do that. I'm sure in politics there's corruption, because if you can build such a thing as a nation, you're showing your strength and the will of your country. I know this seems like a long video, but we've still got a long way to go. We still got a long way to go. There's another section of the Great Hall, and I don't know if I'll make it all the way to there, but that seems like a new part. But you see all the way there, that's where we're going. And we've just been going from observation post to another observation post. That was our last observation post. You cannot see it. We've gone past 3 observation posts within the last few minutes, but we need to keep on going. And this is the Great Wall of China, people, and it's no joke. Like I say, it's no joke. There's lots of observation posts, and you need a very good camera to show everyone where the observation post is. That's where I was last time, I remember. Now I can see it from here. And the cable cars there. Anyway, let me continue.